In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall IBKR Desktop. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to actually close down IBKR, so interactive brokers, just close them down and make sure they're actually closed. So go down here to your taskbar, right click and click on Task Manager. And from here, you want to go at the top and type in interactive. And if nothing's in here, so if no IBKR is in here, that's good to go. But if there's something, so for example, like ABKR or any Windows open, just click on it and click on End Task, and then you'll be good to go. Now, when you've done that, to uninstall, go to the search box down at the bottom and type in Control Panel, and then go ahead and just click on it. And then here you want to click on Programs, click on Programs and Features, and in here you should be able to find IBKR Desktop. There we go, here it is. You want to click on it and click on Uninstall/Change at the top, and then you want to click on Continue. And whenever you do this over here, it's going to basically give you this setup wizard to uninstall it. Just click on Next, and then here you'll have to wait for a few seconds for this to continue. And there we go. As you can see, it says it was successfully removed from your computer. Just click Finish over here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.